What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video it's gonna be a little bit different, guys. We're not really doing an install. We're not doing we're not even doing a video on the M5. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have seen from the title and thumbnail, obviously. But yeah, so today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, by the way. Hopefully this is enough light. I don't want to use my phone because I'm gonna have to use my phone in a bit, but I guess I'll use it for now. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Today is Thanksgiving. I wonder if it's too bright now. I don't know. But happy Thanksgiving, guys. Really appreciate everybody's support. You guys have been showing mad love on YouTube and Instagram, guys. I just started posting more on Instagram recently, and you guys have been showing so much love, which is really appreciated. Go ahead and check out my Instagram if you guys want to see more pictures and stuff on the of the M5. And I just post stuff that doesn't really make it to YouTube, just like small things that I'll be doing to the cars, or like the X5. Small things to do to the X5 I don't want to make a video about because I know you guys don't really enjoy those videos too much. Bigger installs or bigger stuff for the X5 I'm gonna make a video on, but just like little things I'm doing here and there, I'll just make a video on Instagram, put it in my story or something. So go ahead and check out my Instagram if you guys want to see more of like the M5 and the X5. But yeah, that's not what this video is about, guys. So today is Thanksgiving. As you guys know, close to Thanksgiving there's Black Friday deals, and there just so happens to be a Black Friday deal for MHD. Well, every year there's a Black Friday deal for MHD. By the way, guys, I'm not getting sponsored for this or anything, but just go to, if you guys need a tune, go to MHD. There's a reason why me and my brother keep going back to MHD. We've been running their tunes for the past 2 to 3, almost 4 years now. And there's a reason why we keep going back, guys. It's because we like the tunes, we enjoy the tunes, and they're just good tunes. Trust me, guys, we have no issues with MHD, and it's been like really good to us. I've been running it on the M5 for a while now. Anyways, MHD as well as XHP Flash Tool have Black Friday deals, and my brother has been wanting to get a tune for his car for the longest now, and he's been telling me that he's thinking of getting it, obviously because of the deals, the Black Friday deals. But yeah, I kind of just had this thought of why not buy him the tune for Christmas. The only thing is that I don't want to wait till Christmas, one, because obviously because of the deal, and I don't want to just like buy it and wait till Christmas to give it to him, because what if he buys it between like now and before the sale ends and stuff. So anyways, long story short, guys, I don't want to just talk here for a while. I'm gonna buy him the tune. I'm gonna buy my brother the MHD tune for his 335 IS. By the way, go ahead and follow him on YouTube and Instagram if you guys want to keep up with his videos. He's been lagging a little bit, but I try to push him here and there to like post more. But he does have a 335 IS. He just recently got it, and he's been wanting to tune it. So yeah, I thought, why not just get him the tune? I didn't know what really to get him for Christmas. And honestly, just car parts just really excite a car enthusiast, to be honest. Whether it's for Christmas, their birthday, whatever. Car parts, a tune, stuff like that, just really, it's because you know it's something that they really want, you know what I mean? So I've always been about wanting to get somebody a gift that they actually want, instead of just like something that I want to get them, if that makes any sense. But I don't want to talk too much, guys. Let me just go ahead and show you guys me actually purchasing the tune. And I wasn't really gonna make a video on this, but I kind of wanted to get his reaction, and then I just came up with the idea of why not just film it for a video. I do need a video anyways, and I'm not doing this for publicity. I'm not doing this for clout or whatever you guys want to call it. I'm doing this really just because I wanted to get him the tune. I know it's something he's really gonna like and he's gonna be excited about, and it's something he's been wanting. So yeah, it's something that would make me excited if somebody like got me a tune or something. Shout out MHD for sponsoring me. I really appreciate you guys, not in this video, but sponsoring me for the M5. I love the tune, haven't had no issues. But here goes nothing, guys. Alright, here goes nothing, guys. I was already on their website. I'll go back real quick so you guys can see. I would recommend to get the super license just because it comes with everything that they offer for the car. So not only the license, but every single map, the monitor license, which you can like monitor your car, the boost, the temperatures, all that stuff. I believe some of these, like flex fuel, some of these are so you can use JB4 with it if you want to. So this just comes with everything. It's a lot cheaper getting the super license than getting everything individually. So yeah, if we go to the cart, you guys can see MHD super license for M54. That's how much it is. It doesn't really matter how much it is. Thankfully there's a freaking discount. Thank you, MHD, for doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my information real quick, and then I'll just come back to this once it actually shows purchase. So alright, guys, as you can see, I'm sliding down just so you can see my email and my address and all that stuff. But thank you, Anthony, your order is confirmed. Click here to get your MHD license key, and if you click over here, show order summary, MHD super license for M54. So he does have a 335 IS, which is obviously an M54. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to show him. Like I said, I would really like, focus. I would really like to wait till Christmas, but I don't want to just have it here like till Christmas. And today's the 25th. Obviously, it's Thanksgiving. So he has till the 30th until the sale ends, and I don't want him to buy it between today and the 30th. Oh, so that's why I just bought it today, and I'm gonna give it to him today. That way he doesn't have the thought of buying it. Cause he even told me today, he's like, I think I'm gonna buy it. Like, I'm thinking I'll buy it. So yeah, I officially bought it, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna go ahead and go inside, find the perfect moment to actually tell him his gift. We just ate our like Thanksgiving food and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pick up my girl right now. She's at her family's house. And then yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the perfect moment to actually show him, get his reaction, just to see how he feels and stuff. And then I don't know, he's probably not gonna tune it today because it is Thanksgiving, and then I'm gone for the weekend. He's probably gonna tune it between the weekend. So I don't know if we're gonna show in this video him actually tuning it and stuff like that. But if you guys do want to see that video, I'm pretty sure I'll push him to film that video and post it on his YouTube, and I'll leave his YouTube link in the description so you guys can check it out. But yeah, in this video I really just wanted to show you guys his reaction and stuff of me getting him the tune, and hopefully he doesn't really think that I'm getting it for him or has any like thoughts of it. That way we get like a good reaction, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, let me just wait for the perfect moment, and then we'll show him what we got for him. Stay tuned. Oh, stupid light. Why?
You record or what? Yeah. What are you recording?
I wasn't gonna show you yet.
Uh-oh.
I wasn't gonna show you yet. And I wanted to wait till Christmas, but I knew you were gonna get it. So I was gonna show you. Here is your tune.
Why'd you buy it? It's super expensive.
Cool. I was gonna get it for Christmas.
For what? For me?
Yeah, fool.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You didn't have to.
I was gonna get it for Christmas, but then I was gonna get it and wait till Christmas, but like, it's probably gonna buy it from now until the 30th.
I was supposed to check tonight, but I don't know if it was gonna end soon or not.
Yeah, it's the 30th. So I was like, I'm pretty sure you're gonna buy it. So I wanted to buy it, so I bought it.
That's a bunch of money.
Super license.
Is it for the IS?
Oh, it's not for IS.
It's not, huh?
No.
Damn, I thought you turned it. I'm gonna have to freaking tune that thing now.
I have your code and stuff.
Just cause you put the camera up there so you can see my pants. Oh yeah, you can see my pants for sure. You get back. Thanks, bros. Appreciate it. Oh, no, I gotta match your present.
Nah, it's cool.
Nah, I got you. Hey, I got you, bro. I'm gonna match.
Alright, what's up, guys? So it's almost a week later now. Pretty much, you guys saw what happened Thanksgiving. So just real quick, a little recap of the last clip you guys saw of me actually telling him. Before I left the house to go pick up my girl, everybody was downstairs watching movies. When I came back, everybody was already gone and in the room, and I needed to find any moment I could to just tell him, because I was actually leaving the next morning, like at 4 or 5 in the morning, to go to Vegas, because we were going to Vegas for the weekend, and he wasn't going to be with us. So I pretty much just took any opportunity I could to just tell him, and that's the only time I could tell him. So yeah, that's what happened. That's why it was a little lame the way I was able to tell him, but yeah, I mean, there was nothing else I could do. He was either gonna get the tune that day or the next day, or sometime that weekend. So I wanted to tell him before I left. That way he didn't buy the tune himself. So yeah, that's what you guys saw. But if you guys do look over there, he is in his IS right now. Sheesh. But we're about to tune it right now. He's super excited. I'm super excited. And yeah, guys, I'm not gonna show too much of like the whole tuning and stuff. I'm gonna try to push him to record a video on his channel about him tuning his car. So yeah.
Would they hear me if I talk?
335 IS. Try it. 335 IS. Must be nice, dude.
All right, guys. So let's see if you guys can hear me. All right, let's see.
Must be nice, dude. About to tune it right now.
All right, so my brother already bought it. I already bought the actual like super license. So I believe they sent him a code. So I've never done it before. I think maybe he has or hasn't, I'm not too sure, but we're gonna find out together. I'm not even in December, I'm hot.
You wanna go there?
No, close the door though. I remember closing the door.
No, I don't think you should close it.
Yeah, leave it open.
It's tuning, guys. 11 minutes left. It's taking forever. Jeez.
You on it? Oh,
so hot.
I don't even want to race because it's super stuck.
Excited or what?
Hell yeah, John trying to fucking rip it already. I need to get some slicks for this thing now.
I know, dude. It's done, guys.
Alright, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I haven't even stepped on it yet.
He just tuned it, guys. We're about to go on a first drive tuned. He did do stage 2 plus just to try it out for now, but he still has to do his downpipes and stuff, so he's gonna knock it down after. But he wants to just try it out. So
I am on 87 octane, so. Alright guys, let's see how it goes. There's a M3 parked over there. Let's see if he pulls out. And oh no, he's still there. Alright guys, let's go. Let's try this thing out. It feels a little different already, I'm not gonna lie.
does it?
On the
like
pedal?
the throttle?
On the pedal it does, yeah. Alright, we're gonna do second gear. What if it has a leak? I feel like it has a boost leak.
Think so?
Yeah, it feels like it. I don't really feel it like.
God damn.
Those are my brakes, guys. I don't know why. I think I do feel like it has a boost leak.
I feel pretty good.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
It felt like a lot of air.
Yeah, it does sound like a lot of air.
Like a lot of air.
Bad news, guys. So as you guys know, when you do tune, it kind of brings out all the flaws of the car. Flaws as like in maintenance and stuff like that. And I guess we found a boost leak that it does have. You guys can see that on Jesse's channel. He's gonna show a little bit of where the boost leak is. It's missing a clamp, and you can see the hose kind of off. So it does sound like it too if you guys see the video. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of the actual tuning stuff, go ahead and check out Jesse's channel. It's over the recording right now. But yeah, just wanted to pretty much just give him the tune in this video and give you a little more content. If you guys do want to see more of the IS, go ahead and check out his channel, guys. But yeah, different type of video. Just really excited to actually gift him this. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.